people. So it's 6 in the morning right now, 6:47. Me and Daniel decided to go to the canyons. He's over there waiting for me. We're gonna go hit up the canyons real quick. We were gonna take more people, but no one decided to wake up, so I'm just gonna go. Maybe go later if they want to go later on today. But yeah, I'm just gonna warm up my car and then we're gonna head out. Alright, we made it up here to Little Tujunga, all late. It's 8. It just turned 8 as soon as we parked. This interior will be looking a little weird. I don't know what's up with this one. Looks a little weird. But yeah, this is the view right here.
Coming out, right?
Oh yeah. We come from that way over there, all the way around. It's all that. It's the fun part right here. The cars. We were expecting like 2-3 other cars to come, but nope, they were flaking on us. Look at that. Pick up your shit if you come up here. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a couple pictures now, and then we'll see what happens. We just landed at the second spot, but we're gonna leave right now. We were here for a bit. I forgot to record the spot, but here it is. I can't really see. We're gonna go get some In-N-Out now. It's the spot. We're gonna go down there to Santa Clarita. Okay, I got in my car, by the way. I didn't get to record me doing everything because it was too hot. But yeah, I'm pretty good enough. I'm in the back right now, which is good because if you got me in the front, I'm gonna end up going fast, which I don't like. But I'm gonna try to record that. I want to get a GoPro soon so I could do these videos better. Just have a GoPro of me driving, or show them driving. You know, put it in the back, put the GoPro in the back, show them behind me or whatever. Because I'm trying to have 2 hands in the wheel, you know. But this will have to do for now. We made it to In-N-Out. It's like at the bottom of the canyon. I'm probably gonna leave off the video right here. Right there. It's the 3 cars. But yeah, that's it for this video. Later.